Overall, buyer demand on the shore rose from slow to steady for much of the shore, while inventory is up 13% year over year. It's Friday, May 8th, 2026. Happy Mother's Day weekend. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Dorchester, Caroline, and Talbot counties broke 100 points to be labeled as steady buyer demand. Queen Anne's, Wicomico, and Worcester counties are moderate in the range of 114 to 125 point range. Cecil and Kent counties continue to be slow in the 70 to 89 point range. Somerset County remains limited at 60 points. Inventory for sale rose slightly to 2,345 units at a median $419,995 list price and at 60 median days. 156 units of new inventory will be coming soon at $487,500 median list price. 205 properties went under contract at a median $369,900 in 21 days. 171 homes sold in 27 days at 97% list to sold ratio and at a median $385,000. There are 3,180 rental properties for lease at a median $2,500 per month. These have been on the market for 33 days. Curious about values in your area? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, May 8th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.